Y'all, we fucking did it. We just did our first $5,000 with TikTok Shop. And in the fourth month, basically, three and a half months, basically. So, we started March 17th. So the last 2 weeks, we made our first sale on the 10th day. I remember, 'cause I was like, damn, I wanted to make a sale in a week. 9th or 10th day, boom, got it. April, $700. Literally, after I made my first sale, the end of March, I got, that brand that started running ads. And then we kept running ads. I started making more videos. We did $2,000. I wanted to do double, because, I did more than double. But I made more, $2,400. And these are the screenshots. So, March, $9. April, $700. Boom. May, boom, 2K. And then, boom, June, 2.4K. So I feel good. Honestly, trading has been so bad that it's like, what business model is making you money this fast? There are people making 400, 100K in their first year. Obviously, I'm only a few months in. Some people make 6K their first or second month. I was hoping for that, honestly. I'm actually very disappointed in these numbers. But everyone's on their own journey. So hopefully July, we have a great month. Even if it's just 4K, okay? That's all I need. 4K, move it up to 9. So we're doing the things, we're killing it. What my strategy is now is it's like 3 copy videos, but now I was copying before, like I said, it was not working for me 100%. No, you have to do 80-20. I'm adding my own je ne sais quoi. It's helping me be more original now to the point where I'm adding my own sauce to the videos that I'm like copying. So it's the 80-20, maybe even like 70-30, right? I went viral on my own for my first viral video on my own. And it was me literally shaving my coochie bikini line on TikTok. All right, literally on TikTok. And it worked because it's a bikini shaver. It's a bikini shaver. That's the whole point. It's a bikini line trimmer. Obviously, they're halting my views. So I'll get like 100K and they'll halt. I'll get none for a little bit. Then I'll do it again. So it's been like, it'll pop off and it'll go, get sales. And then in a few days it'll stop and it'll go. Like the algorithm like stops it and pushes it, stops it and pushes it. This is another original. No, I copied this one. It's going more viral. It's not getting a lot of sales, but the commission's $8 a sale. So it's already made like almost $150. This one was the 80-20, 10K. It hasn't made any sales. Or maybe it has. It's the same product as this, so I haven't really looked into it. But I'm noticing my views are better. They're low lately, but this is the original video. I think they did GMV max on this. This is the original video on my own. 3,000 just came off the dome. Come like it's a fan, blue collar. I do Amazon Flex. I told y'all sometimes, so I had that vest. Another, I tried to double down on me shaving. $3,000. $3,000 here. I think they did GMV max on this one though. $1,300 original. They might have GMV max on that though. So I'm getting better. I finished my brand deal for Magnesium. I got 2 violations. They just not got approved, which is so annoying. This is a copy 80-20, 19. So I'm getting better. The copies come get more views. Copy, more views, 4,000 views, boom. These 700s original, 1,300 original. So I'm doing like 3 to 4. I go on the daily virals and I pick, you'll see 3 of like, I have Nello. I'll do Nello. Boom, I'll copy that. I have not done these cup videos with him because he's getting super creative with it. I did this one. I'll see products I have and I'll copy them 80-20 and then I'll try to do 3 original off the dome. Boom. I think this is original. This is original, 1,400 views. So I'm getting better thanks to copying and doing now 80-20 because you're doing 80-20 and then you're pushing it. So it's getting better. I got a free audit. Like I said, I don't know if I made a video on that. I think I did. A free audit from Austin Brown. Oh my gosh, I don't know his name. I just DM'd him. He hit me up. I didn't mean to say his name because I don't want y'all harassing him because he's not going to do audits for y'all. I don't know what it is about me, or maybe he just saw the drive I have, or even me with trading sometimes, or like TikTok Shop. I'll give sauce to certain people. I can't give it to other people, so don't go harassing him. This is a 80-20, 3,000. So I'm getting better. The views are coming, and I'm getting better. 7,000. This was a full 100% copy, and the comments show. The comments ate me up about this. And it wasn't even 82. It was like a 90-10. I feel like I changed some stuff, but people did not peep. And I'm just getting better at making content. I'm enjoying it more. Austin was like, focus on quality and post less. Even though Ava told me that too. This was an 80/20 copy 1,000. So that's what I'm doing, and it feels great. Like I copy a few 80/20, add my own sauce, like these two. These two are original. All clothing samples are original, because I don't really care. I'm just fulfilling sample requests. And then these two are original. And I have a brand deal with this Loftly B12 right now for $500 for the month. So I really have to do those. I just did my magnesium. They didn't say if they would continue or not continue, so I assume we're still going. But I just got so many violations for the magnesium. I got like 3 24-point violations. So I don't know if I want to keep promoting the magnesium. Unless I just do music on the screen, which I feel like is the cop out. I mean, music and words on screen. This one was fine. But music and words on screen have seemed to not get violations. Anytime I talk about the benefits of magnesium, I get a violation. So that's where I'm at. So I feel good. I feel like my goal is only $20K in July. I'm jumping through the hoops, but obviously at least $4,000, $4 to $5,000. I want to shoot for that. So I have so many drafts right now. I'm going on vacation tomorrow. So I'm going on vacation Thursday. I don't live in Atlanta. My sister lives in Atlanta. So we go to Atlanta and then we fly on Thursday. So we're staying with my sister tomorrow. So I might be able to record a few videos tomorrow. But I should have enough to post 5 times a day, I think, already for all the days. But just in case, I'm going to record some more of my sister. And that's how we do it. So now I have like a thing where I say daily virals, what I'm making today. And then these are just and I have this long list that originally, like I said, I wouldn't have that long list when I was talking about conspiracy videos. And I didn't even get to do all those. So I have this long list. I'm at a point where now that I do 80/20, I kind of just want to finish these lists. Like, just make this content. Even if it's old. Obviously, I find things that go viral each day. So that's why I copy these from scrolling on my FYP. And I go to daily virals. And those daily virals ones trump. But these are all great videos. Anything with the flame was like that week. Or I should have recorded that week. But I didn't. But if I can just really 80/20 a lot of these would be ideal. And then you have, so many. Because my daily virals expires tomorrow. And I can get it again. I might renew. I don't know if I will renew lately since I have all these. I might take a month off and just make all of these and keep doing it from the FYP. And yeah, just 80/20 videos that have a lot of sales. Like I have this one in my draft I'm posting in an hour. 80/20 of that. My views are super low right now. All of a sudden I'm getting less than 100 and then it goes better later. I just posted this one an hour ago. You see what I'm saying? The 80/20 of that one. So 80/20, 70/30, take a viral video, but make it your own. Add your own sauce. I've done this one a bunch of times. I've done this one a bunch of times. And this is Coach Ava from the group, one of the groups I'm in. That's the group I have a brand deal, so I'm staying. I left and then I got back in for my brand deal. This is Mr. Austin who gave me my lovely audit. I just did a version of this today, 80/20. I did a version of this for the Glow Gummies. That's the one that has the 7K views, and people are eating me up for copying her, but he also copied her, so I don't know if he just did it soon enough, or maybe she copied him. I don't know. Either way, all 3 of us are doing the script. I did a version of this one. Again, she's killing it. She inspired that boy who's killing it, doing extra stuff. This guy. I think he got off her, and then he's just getting super creative, and he's doing it like only now. Coach Ava again. This is a good product to do that for. She's like, when I go down to my man, I do this, and I sniff it first just to see if his ball. It's like a powder for sweaty balls, basically. But yeah, that's what I do. I've done this one, 80/20. So I usually just go on here and see what's popping if I have the product, and then I just 80/20 it, and then I have a list of things I want to do from just scrolling on my FYP, and I just do some off the dome. So I think you should do that. So if you're gonna post like 3 to 6 times a day. 5 to 9. So if you use 6, do like 3 daily viral, 2 original, or 2 daily viral, 2 FYP, 1 original, or whatever works for you. I think if you do that, you'll be great. Now, there are people, I think the stay-at-home, again, the ladies with the clothing, they print and they're all off the dome. I don't know what it is. Maybe just being authentic, that does not work for me. It just doesn't. Like, selling clothes just does not work. I don't know what to say. I ramble too long. I don't know. Like, oh, this is cute. I think you should be a cute white lady, honestly. And that there's no shade to them. Like, do what works for you. You know what I'm saying? I did get a makeup thingy that covers up tattoos. I have a lot of tattoos. If you don't know, most people don't, because I'm not the way I want to be. So I don't show my stomach as much as I used to. But I have a lot of tattoos. You can see here that I'm going to cover up with the makeup. So I think that will go nice and viral. I have stretch marks too, because I used to be fat, and I got fat again recently and just lost 50 pounds. So I'll do that, and that hopefully I hope that will just be. I think doing products you can show working. I did a video for this water bottle today, but I needed another camera to show the app because I have the app on my phone. My parents were not home, so I just recorded a screenshot of what the app looked like and talked about it. So I want to do another one actually showing the app working will be better. The razor, I obviously, as you see, showed it working and it went really well. So honestly, supplements are hard to do that with. And I've noticed you just get products that you can just actually use in real time. And I thought the same thing about clothes, but then Fit Curvy Mama, that really pretty girl from Social Army, got a score and was doing jumps and like dancing in the score. Like, so let me see. It was like Fit. It's like Curvy Fit Academy or something like that. Yeah, this girl. She's in Social Army. Yeah, so she was just dancing and jumping around in this skirt and it went super viral. Not this. So she was the one saying that, like, show the product. Even if it's like the linen pants, she would like pull it out. She would pull it out and it was working so well. But seeing her, like, she would just literally show it, even with clothes. And I'm like, ah. So I was like, that's what inspired me to do it when she's jumping. That's what inspired me to literally just shave my coochie on the internet. She has one with 1 million views. I don't know where it is. Linen pants. And she's like pulling it and stretching it. Yeah, here we go. She like jumps and dances and like shows how the skirt doesn't ride up. Yeah, see? So things like that. It doesn't have to necessarily be a gadget. Just show the product working. And the sales will come. So do that. Thank you.